Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to easily draft a high-low circle skirt pattern with very easy steps. So this is a skirt that is high on the front and low on the back. So if you'd love to watch more sewing and pattern drafting videos from me, make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you won't miss out whenever I post a new video. I post new sewing and pattern drafting videos every single week. So without wasting your time, let's get into drafting. So to make this high-low circle skirt pattern, I'm going to be using my pattern paper for demonstrations, which I am going to fold in the middle like I am doing like that. I fold once, then I also fold the second time like that. Very easy. If you're using your fabric, do the same on the fabric as well. Then I'm going to find the desired full length of my skirt. This depends up to you. You decide how long you want your skirt to be or how short. So from this folded paper, I'm going to place the desired full length of skirt with my measuring tape and go round like that. So remember, this is a pattern paper I'm using for demonstrations. On your fabric, you can use a longer desired full length skirt. Then connect the points like that. Very easy. Then I'm going to cut out this with my pair of scissors like I am doing. Very easy. And also I added seam allowance. Then I'm going to open it and there's a circle that has been formed. Then I'm going to fold my paper again. As you can see, I have two semicircles, half circles, 1 and 2. So I'll go to one half circle like that and find the midpoint of that half circle. Then I'm going to fold on that midpoint like I am doing. Then fold my paper again like that, as you can see. Then after folding, I'm going to place the radius of the waist on this corner using the following formula. I'll put my waist circumference plus seam allowance and zip allowance divide by 6.28. Then the answer will be the radius that I'm going to place round like I am doing. Then I'll connect like that. Then cut out this new waist line with a pair of scissors.